Hello guys, in the previous video, I've shown you how to save an object in Java to database. I have an bin here, and when you run the application, this bin is running and it will call the user DAO and save the user with the first name in Java and the last name in Guy. And you can see I have a record after saving successfully a record in the user table, and we have an ID here. So in this video, I want to get this object from the user table to the application using GPA. Okay, to do that, I will go to the DAO and go to the user DAO. I want to create a new method. The method name is return a user, and I will name this method will find by ID, and I will use the ID as I will use this and click on here, then implement the method and OK. I will use the entity manager and dot find. So I will find an user, so I will use the user dot class, and the second parameter will be ID. Okay, this is the method to find a user by the user ID, and I will test by calling this method by come back here. I will comment this live code, and I will use the user DAO dot find by ID, and the user ID that I want to find is 1, so I will pass in this method with the 1, and I will create a user to return it, user. Then I will print it, user. Okay, I will run it to see what happened. Here we go, as you can see I have a live chat here, and that means we are getting a user from the database successfully. But what if I want to change the user ID here? I don't want to use the user ID 1 but 2, and see. I will run the application again to see what happened. As you can see, if I use the user ID 2 to find the user, I have the result of no, because in my database I have only one record with the ID E1. So I think I will create more user. So I will comment this out. I will unrecommend this, and I will copy this live code. I will pass here, and I will use the first name is Java 1, Java 2, and I will run this application, comment this, and I will run the application to store these 2 new users to the database, and refresh. As you can see, I have 2 new records with the ID 2 and the ID 3. The ID is automatically increased because you are using the generated value, and this is the generation type. identity. That means the ID is automatically increased by the MySQL. Okay, it's a good idea. So I will come back to my code and comment this lab code and uncomment this lab code to find the user ID 2. Here we go. I have user ID 2 with the first name is Java 1. I will test with the user 3. Here we go. I have ID 3 and the first name is Java 2. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll show you how to get the information of a user by the user ID. See you in the next one.